Hi students, it's EK Academy here. Welcome again. So we'll be solving another question, and actually this question is a word problem leading to quadratic equations. So from this question, a mother is 3 times as old as her child. Actually, so we have mother, and in the other side you have child. So if child is x years old, mother by that moment is 3x years old. 7 years ago, the product of the year age was 104. 7 years ago, which means 3x minus 7, you multiply by x minus 7, and the product is going to be 104. Find the present age of the child, so we have to look for the x. So we are going to expand. I'll be taking 3x being multiplied by x minus 7, minus 7 multiplied by x minus 7, you get 104. So you have 3x squared minus 21x minus 7x plus 49 equals to 104. We have 3x squared minus 28x plus 49 minus 104 equals to 0. When you take 104 minus 49, you are getting 55. So 3x squared minus 28x minus 55 equals to 0. So we'll check whether we can split this by, we can split the middle term. Think of two numbers. When you multiply, you get the product of negative 3 times negative 55. But when you add the numbers, you have to get 28. So I see 3 times 5 times 11, for example. And from here, I don't get 28 anyway. So you can also think of 33 times 5. And from here, I think we can get a negative 28. So the factors, the way we are going to split the middle term, actually we'll be saying that 3x squared minus 33x plus 5x minus 55 equals to 0. So you take 3x out of the bracket, it is x minus 11 plus 5, you have x minus 11 equals to 0. So you have 3x plus 5, you have x minus 11 equals to 0. So 3x plus 5 equal to 0, or x minus 11 equals to 0. From here you're getting x is negative 5 over 3, or x will be 11. So we know that actually the age cannot be negative number, so the value of x will never be negative. So the age of child is 11 years old. You can say that the age of a child is 11 years old. Now, as per the question, find the present age of the child. So that is how we solved this question. And actually, as you have seen, it is a word problem pertaining to quadratic equations. Thank you. If it is your first time actually to be here, consider subscribing. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, so that we can extend actually the way we are sharing this knowledge. Thank you.